So this is my next project. As you can see, here is the old bathroom. I started to remove couple of wood pieces, and then I remembered that I should film it before I remove all the stuff. So here is the old toilet with really high ceiling. I think it's at least 3 meters. And this is a narrow hallway. And there used to be a wardrobe here. So the plan is to move the bathroom and the toilet here. So there's going to be wall here. So for that I need to close that door. And the reason for this renovation is that behind that wall and the wall in the toilet there is another room with a window. So this will be the future kitchen actually, and there is a window, so this narrow hallway, which is quite dark, will have more light, and yeah, it feels like more open. So I need to remove this wall as well. So yeah, all that needs to come down, and because the walls are quite crooked here, I will remove this drywall as well here and see what is behind that. So the first thing, I already removed these doors, so I will remove all the water units. I will remove this boiler, and later on all this part here will be probably somewhere there in the old door opening. And of course I need to shut off all electricity, like with the electricity which comes like here to the toilet, to the bathroom, to the hallway, and here as well. So I don't have any live wires hanging somewhere. So this was my first bathroom I made. I didn't have any experience before that, so yeah, now it's time to demolish it. So I will remove these wood pieces here around the door, this one here. It has lasted surprisingly well in this shower corner, at least 10 years. And yeah, it's just this side and this here is untreated wood. I remember I wanted to leave it like this to test it, how well does it last in the bathroom. And I have to say that surprisingly well.